Adelia Sabrina. Just call me Leah. And today I'd like to share my opinion about smoking on campus. This topic is important because it concerns the health and comfort of all of us. In my opinion, smoking on campus can have negative impacts. First, cigarette smoke interferes with the breathing and health of people around, especially those who don't smoke. Second, cigarettes but litter often pollutes the campus environment, which should be clean and comfortable. However, I also understand that smoking is an individual right. Some people find that smoking helps them relieve stress, especially after a long day on campus. Therefore, a special smoking area might be needed so as not to disturb others. I hope that we can all maintain a healthy and comfortable campus environment for everyone. Let's find a fair solution, such as providing a special smoking area so that we can respect the right of all parties. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Simple Present Tense by Nur Adelia Sabrina. Regular habits or daily routine. Use the simple present to express the idea that an action is repeated or usual. The action can be a habit, a hobby, a daily event, or something that often happens. Number 1. Expressing habits or routines. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. She goes to the gym 3 times a week. Number 2. Talking about scheduled event. The train leaves at 10 a.m. tomorrow. The meeting starts at 2 p.m. on Friday. Number 3. Describing general truth. The rain rises in the east. Weather was in 100 degrees Celsius. The simple present is used with adverbs like always. I always come to school by car. Often. I don't come here very often. Usually. He usually eats breakfast at 7 a.m. Sometimes. Sometimes I go to party. Rarely. She rarely cooks. Never. He is never late for class. Every day. They sleep early every day. Simple present tense without verb. Subject plus to be is EMR plus object. Subject plus to be is EMR plus not plus object. To be is EMR plus subject plus object. To be I, EM, you, they, we, are, he, she, it, is. Example plus I am a student. I am not a student. I a student. Structure and formula. Affirmative subject plus verb-based form plus object. I play tennis. They work in an office. Negative subject plus auxiliary verb do or does plus not plus verb base form plus object. I do not play tennis. They do not work in an office. Interrogative. Auxiliary verb do or does plus subject plus verb base form plus object. Do you play tennis? Do they work in an office? Simple past tense without verb. Subject plus to be, was or were plus object. Subject plus to be, was or were plus not plus object. To be, was or were, subject plus object. I, he, she, it, was, you, we, they, were. Example, I was a child 10 years ago. I was not a child 10 years ago. Was I a child 10 years ago? They were at home yesterday. They were not at home yesterday. Were they at home yesterday? Simple present tense affirmative. Affirmative sentence is a type of sentence that states something. This sentence contains a declaration or statement that is positive. The tenses used in this sentence can be present tense, past tense, or perfect tense. An affirmative sentence expresses the validity of the truth of a statement. Subject plus verb plus art is to the third person singular complement. Simple present tense negative. To form a simple present tense negative sentence, you usually use the addition of don't or doesn't before the verb. Subject plus don't or doesn't plus not plus verb 1 plus complement. For the third form subject she, he, it. After the word don't or doesn't form verb no other see or is. The word do is used if the subject is I, you, they, or we. However, the words does is used if the subject is the third person she, he, it. Simple present tense interrogative. To form interrogative sentence or question sentence, you usually use the addition of do or does in front of the sentence. Do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus complement. For the third form of the subject, she, he, it, after the word don't or doesn't The verb form is not added with is or is. The word do is used if the subject is I, you, they, or we. However, the word does is used if the subject is the third person she, he, it. Affirmative example: I live, you live, he lives, she lives, it lives, we live, you live, they live. Negative example: I don't live, you don't live, he doesn't live, she doesn't live, it doesn't live, we don't live, you don't live, they don't live. Interrogative example: do I live? Do you live? Does he live? Does she live? Does it live? Do we live? Do you live? Do they live? Simple present question with the auxiliaries do and does. What do you do on Saturday morning? Does she do on weekdays? Example: I have breakfast in restaurant. She does exercise. When do you go to school? Does he play? Example: we go to school on weekdays. He plays soccer on Wednesday. Function of simple present tense: express emotion or feelings. The first function of the simple present tense is to express expression or feelings. Therefore, when you want to express expressions and feelings through sentence, you can use simple present tense sentences. General truth: simple present tense sentences also have the function of expressing a truth that exists around us. Sample transition: nominal simple present. Notes: to be em is used for subject I. To be is used for subject he, she, it. To be are is used for subject I, you, they, we. Example: they are not from the same class. Are you Mr. Heidi? Is he a student? First person singular. First person is the first person's point of view, in this case referring to the speaker or reader. In first person singular, the pronoun used is I. If oneself is the subject, for example, if it is the subject, my name is Hana. I live in East Jakarta. Uses of simple present tense. Recurring event. A recurring event is an event that occurs routinely or is a habit. It is usually marked with a timestamp. Example, I eat 3 times a day, or class start at 9 a.m. I am a doctor. I am a doctor. General truth, explaining an undeniable fact or general truth. Example, the sun rises from the east. Rabbits eat vegetables. Understanding simple present tense. Function of simple present tense. The function of the simple present tense is to express facts, habits, truths, and permanent situations. Showing facts. Example, Jakarta is the capital city of Indonesia. Indonesia has thousands of islands. Showing habits. Example, I go to bed at 11 p.m. My father goes to the office by car. Showing permanent situation. Example, I live in Bandung. My sister works in a school. Simple present tense function. To express habitual activities. Habitual activities are activities that are done routinely, whether it is every day, every week, every month, and even every year. Example, she only eats a piece of bread in the morning. I always to go to the office at 7 in the morning. To express someone's character on natural. You can also use the simple present tense to express someone's characters or natural. Example, the plain text of 12 in the afternoon to start a scheduled activity. Example, the plain text of the 12 in the afternoon to give orders or instruction. Example, put the book on the table. Common mistakes and tips for correct use. Simple present tense. Using the present continuous form is instead of simple present. Mistake. I am liking this book. Correction. I like this book. Tip. The verb like is a stative verb and should be used in the simple present. Incorrect use of the expression mistake. The goes to the store yesterday. Correction. She went to the store yesterday. Tip. Use the simple past tense for completed action in the past. Timetables and schedules. Example, the train leaves at 10 a.m. The movie starts at 7 p.m. The store closes at 9 p.m. Here are some tips for using the simple present tense. The simple present tense is usually the same as the verb's base form. For sentence using the third person singular to construct negative sentence in the simple present. The consolation of simple present tense is Simple present tense is used to tell things that happen continuously in the present. Simple present tense is used to talk about something that is common, always happens repeatedly, or a general truth. Simple present tense is the most frequently used tense in everyday life. Time information will determine the type of to be used in the sentence. Simple present tense is used to give instructions or direction. Simple present tense is used to express time in the future after conjunction after, when, before, as soon as, until. So, the conclusion is that the simple present tense is a tense that status routine recurring event, not events that are currently happening. Thank you for attentive listening.